Welcome and good evening. I'm Stephen Essex and I'm reporting to you live via webcam from Marietta, California. Today I'm going to talk to you about something that has been a topic of discussion for the past few years here in America. The subject I'm referring to is global warming. Our life on Earth depends on solar energy caused by the sun. With the use of greenhouse gases, solar energy is captured and maintained in the atmosphere. Greenhouse gases absorb heat caused by infrared radiation. This infrared radiation is captured through the use of water vapors, carbon dioxide, ozone, and methane. Roughly 30% of solar energy is redirected back into space, while 20% is absorbed. Although greenhouse gases make up only 1% of the atmosphere, it maintains the heat and warms the lower portion of our planet. By capturing the infrared radiation, the greenhouse gases create what is known as the greenhouse effect. Without the greenhouse effect, scientists believe that temperatures on Earth would be 50 to 60 degrees colder. This would be too cold for civilization. The Industrial Revolution, dating back to the mid-1800s, played a major role in climate change as people began burning fossil fuels and deforestation. The burning of fossil fuels along with deforestation added large amounts of carbon dioxide to the atmosphere, which has created our aspect of global warming. Global warming is based on scientific studies that show how the Earth's temperature has and will continue to increase over the next half century and beyond. Scientists believe by the year 2100, the average temperature will increase anywhere from 3 to 10 degrees. This could have an adverse effect on storm patterns, floods, rising sea levels, and an outbreak of diseases such as malaria. Some scientists would tell you that Hurricane Katrina, which hit the Gulf Coast in 2005, was caused by global warming due to increased sea levels and temperatures at the time of the event. In case you're keeping track, the first years of the 21st century were the warmest ever recorded. The amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere has the biggest impact on global warming. Carbon dioxide levels have increased from 280 to 384 parts per million. Studies have shown that levels could go as high as 560 by the year 2050 and 1390 by the year 2100. What will become of our polar bear region as ice glaciers are melting and becoming smaller? Places such as Montana's Glacier National Park are expected to lose their glaciers by the year 2030. Our western and eastern seaboards could be affected by rising sea levels. The biggest culprit is human activity. With the burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, and a population growth, we could be our own worst enemy. Unless we find a way to reduce the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere and find a way to decrease future amounts, we can find ourselves in a hole that we may never recover from. Until we meet again, thank you for joining. Good night.